Hello friends. Today we will discuss about functioning of air dryer. What is air dryer? Air dryer is an equipment which is used to remove moisture from air. How does air dryer works? This is very interesting. Refrigerated air dryer works on the process of refrigeration. Here, dew point of air plays an important role in removing moisture from air. We know that dew point of air is 4 degrees centigrade. That is, moisture in air start condensing at 4 degrees centigrade. This is the main phenomena. Because of this, moisture from air is getting condensed and removed from the air. Let us see what are the equipments used in air dryer. Number 1, compressor. Number 2, condenser. 3, metering or expansion device. 4, evaporator or heat exchanger. 5, air coil. And 6th is trap. This is what the schematic of air dryer. Here, as we discussed, this is compressor, this is condenser, this narrow tube, this is called metering device or expansion device, and this part is the evaporator or generally heat exchanger. And whatever this coil like tube you are seeing, that is air input, air coil, where the air supply will comes from top. After passing through the heat exchanger, the air will goes to the other end, that is trap, where the air is collected and condensed moisture is drained. Right? Let us go in detail of each functioning. How does compressor works? Compressor is generally used to increase the pressure and temperature of the freon gas. And another important function is it is used to pump the freon gas throughout the circuit, throughout the system. If you see in the circuit, the compressor, which is used to increase the temperature and pressure, as well as this helps to pump the total freon gas throughout the circuit. Also, the condition of the freon gas is vapor state. As we discussed here, if the pressure and temperature is increased, the gas will be at the vapor state. And most commonly used compressor is hermetically sealed compressor. As discussed, in compressor, pressure of the freon gas will increase, temperature also increase. Right? Next moves to condenser. The superheated freon gas from compressor enters into the condenser. Right? The main function of the condenser is to cool the freon gas. Condenser generally can be air cooled or water cooled. In air cooled, condenser exhaust fan is mounted above the condenser. Exhaust fan will remove heat from the condenser by exhausting the hot air to outside. The condition of the freon gas is liquid stage because the whatever heat existing in the condenser is gets exhausted with the help of exhaust fan. As you can see here, this is the condenser. Hot gases passing through the condenser. Okay. Because of this exhaust fan, the hot air gets exhausted. Further, the gas gets cooled and moves to the next stage. Next stage is expansion or metering device. Freon gas from condenser passes through metering device, that is capillary tube. In this, freon gas temperature and pressure will reduce further. The condition of the freon gas is liquid. Coming to schematic, you can clearly visualize the capillary tube. The cool gas passes through the narrow capillary tube where the pressure of the gas is still get reduced and temperature subsequently will reduce. This cool refrigerant will passes to the evaporator. Evaporator is the final stage in the air dryer process. In this, low temperature freon gas from the metering device passes through the heat exchanger. Freon gas is directly exposed to the air coil where the air supply is taking place. This cool freon gas will directly gets heat exchange with air. By this, air gets cooled to a very low temperature. Upon reaching temperature to 4 degrees centigrade, moisture in the air starts condensing. This condensed moisture collected in the trap and gets drained with the help of cork. We can clearly visualize here evaporator. The cooled gas passes through the evaporator where there is a direct heat exchange between this evaporator and air tube. By this, whatever air passing through the tube gets gradually cool and this cool air passes through the trap zone. This cool air, whatever the condensed moisture will get collect at the bottom of the trap and which can be drained with the help of drain cork. Here whatever the gas passes through this evaporator will get slightly heated by absorbing the heat from the air, and this slightly heated air freon gas will again goes back to the compressor. You can see here this is a suction line. Goes back to the compressor. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.